Look, if you're still writing YouTube scripts manually, you're basically throwing hours down the drain while your competitors are crushing it with AI. Most creators think they need to be scripting experts to use artificial intelligence effectively, but that's completely backwards. The real secret isn't memorizing every copywriting trick in the book. It's understanding what actually makes viewers stick around and then finding the right AI tool to handle the heavy lifting for you. I've built multiple six-figure YouTube channels, and the only reason I can scale this fast is because I crack the code on AI script writing. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to transform any video idea into a script that hooks viewers from second one and keeps them glued to their screens. Plus, I'll reveal the specific AI platform that's been my secret weapon for creating viral content at lightning speed. Here's what separates amateur scripts from the ones that actually perform. First, you need to nail your target audience psychology. Think about it like this. A Minecraft channel targeting 8-year-olds needs completely different language than a business channel targeting entrepreneurs. Your word choice, examples, and even storytelling style must match who's watching. Get this wrong and people bounce in the first 10 seconds. Next comes your script format decision. You've got two paths here. Full word-for-word scripts work amazing for educational content where precision matters. Bullet point outlines are perfect for storytelling or conversational videos. The downside with bullets is planning your visual elements gets trickier, but the upside is natural delivery. Now let's talk hooks because this is where most people completely fumble. Your hook has one job: confirm the click and open a curiosity loop. Someone clicked because your thumbnail promised something specific. If you immediately switch topics, they're gone. So you confirm you're delivering exactly what they expected, establish why you're worth listening to, add a fresh angle they haven't heard before, and create that tension gap between what they know now and what they'll discover later. The main body is where your content lives, but here's the mistake everyone makes. They dump everything at once. Instead, start with your strongest point to instantly raise expectations. Then use curiosity gaps throughout. Give viewers a taste of information while holding back the full reveal. It's like a TV show cliffhanger system. Answer one question but immediately raise another. Rehooks are your secret weapon here. Every time you start a new section, curiosity spikes, but then drops as you talk. A rehook resets that attention. Something simple like, but if you skip this next part, everything else falls apart, instantly pulls them back in. Don't forget emotional variety either. Pure lecture mode kills engagement. You want waves of different feelings, some urgency, surprise, relief, maybe humor. Zoom into details, then back out to the big picture. Change something every 30 to 40 seconds to break the pattern. Your outro needs to accomplish two things: make viewers feel satisfied with what they learned, and show them the logical next step. Summarize their key takeaways, help them visualize the outcome they can achieve, then frame the next problem they'll face and point them toward your solution. But honestly, following all these principles manually takes forever. Even if you outsource to writers, you're dealing with revisions, delays, and wondering if they actually understand your style. That's where TubeMargic AI changes everything. This platform was built specifically for YouTube creators by creators who understand what makes scripts actually work. When you log in, you'll see a clean workspace that functions like your personal whiteboard. The AI chat sits at the top, and you can organize everything into groups on the left side. Here's how I use it. I create 3 groups: my style, script principles, and content information. In the first group, I upload several of my existing videos so the AI learns my tone and pacing. The second group gets all the script writing frameworks I just explained. The third group receives whatever content I'm covering, maybe website links, research, or topic notes. Before generating, I connect these groups to the AI chat using the connection dots. This tells the system exactly what information to pull from. Then I select my preferred AI model. TubeMargic gives you access to Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and others all in one place. My prompt stays super simple. I tell it to take my style from Group 1, apply the script principles from Group 2, and use the raw material from Group 3 to create a complete YouTube script that hooks viewers, builds curiosity, delivers value, and ends with a strong call to action. The results are incredible. It generates titles I didn't even ask for, creates hooks that grab attention without being clickbait, structures the main body with natural rehooks and curiosity gaps, and crafts outros that feel authentic to my voice. The whole process takes minutes instead of hours. Compare this to generic ChatGPT, where you paste a topic and get bland, forgettable content that needs massive editing. TubeMargic understands YouTube specifically because it was designed by people who actually run successful channels. The platform runs about $39 monthly, which is actually cheaper than paying for separate subscriptions to all the major AI tools. Plus, you get everything integrated into one workflow instead of jumping between different platforms. What you've learned today is the foundation of every high-performing YouTube script. You understand audience psychology, hook construction, main body flow, and outro strategy. But more importantly, you now know how to leverage AI to implement these principles without spending your entire day writing. The next step is experiencing this yourself. Click the link in the description below to watch my complete TubeMargic AI tutorial, where I walk through the entire process step by step. You'll see exactly how to set up your groups, craft the perfect prompts, and generate scripts that sound authentically like you. Don't miss this. The link is waiting for you in the description right now.